The Recipe Room. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most delicious treats out there: chocolate donuts. Chocolate donuts are a classic dessert that has been enjoyed for generations. They're made by frying dough and then coating them in a delicious chocolate glaze. There are so many different ways to enjoy chocolate donuts. You can have them plain, or you can add toppings like sprinkles, nuts, or even more chocolate. No matter how you like your chocolate donuts, one thing is for sure: they're absolutely delicious. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about the interesting history of donuts. Donuts were originally known as oily cakes, or olykoeks, in the Netherlands in the 19th century. These early cakes were balls of dough fried in pork fat until golden brown. However, the center did not cook as fast as the outside, so they were sometimes stuffed with fruit, nuts, or other fillings that did not require cooking. But in 1847, an American ship captain named Hanson Gregory found another solution for the uncooked center of the donut. Before frying, he punched a hole in the center of the dough ball. This hole increased the surface area and exposure to the hot oil, thus eliminating the uncooked center. Now that you know more about the history of donuts, let's take a look at how to make them. To make chocolate donuts, you'll need flour, sugar, eggs, milk, butter, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix together flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder and salt. 2. Add eggs, milk and melted butter and mix until smooth and uniform. 3. Let the dough rest for about 10 minutes. 4. Heat oil in a pan. 5. Divide the dough into small pieces and shape into circles with a hole in the middle. 6. Fry the donuts in hot oil until golden. 7. Remove fried donuts from oil and place on paper towel to absorb excess oil. 8. Serve with chocolate glaze or powdered sugar. With this simple recipe, you can fill your home with the delightful smell of chocolate donuts. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks for watching.